Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Create a Google Search Console account and verify site ownership using DNS or HTML file. Connect your site to Search Console and enable property indexing features. Upload a sitemap, XML, and submit it through the Sitemaps report for easier discovery. Test your robots. TXT file to ensure important pages are not blocked from crawlers. Remove any noindex tags that prevent pages from being indexed by Google. Use the URL inspection tool to test a URL and request indexing when needed. Start by choosing focused keywords that match real search intent and queries. Use those keywords naturally in title tags and meta descriptions of 50-60 characters. Structure pages with H1 and H2 headings so content is scannable for users and crawlers. Write at least 300 to 1,000 words of useful content that answers questions clearly and provides examples. Optimize images, enable compression, and improve load time to under 3-5 seconds for better engagement. Ensure responsive mobile design and test across devices to maintain usability. Check Search Console and Google Analytics weekly for clicks, impressions, and CTR trends. Monitor keyword position, changes, and identify pages that drop in ranking over time. Update underperforming pages every 4 weeks with fresh content, internal links, and clearer user answers. Gain quality backlinks by creating useful resources that attract natural links from reputable sites. Use a disavow file only if you detect harmful spam links that cannot be removed manually. Keep a simple calendar to log changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.